Ever wondered how to make DIY projects or repairs easier? A cordless drill is a handy tool that lets you drill holes and drive screws without needing a power outlet. It's perfect for both professional and home use, giving you freedom and convenience for all your tasks. If you are looking for the best cordless drill available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. Be sure to check out the description below. The 5th product on this list is the BOSCH PS312A. The BOSCH PS312A is a compact yet powerful drill designed to deliver premium performance in a lightweight design. Weighing only 1.8 pounds, this drill is ideal for professionals like electricians, plumbers, and contractors who often need to perform overhead drilling or driving tasks. Its exceptional performance-to-weight ratio ensures comfort and efficiency during prolonged use. This drill offers versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. With high torque and 2-speed settings, it can handle various materials, including wood, drywall, and even metal. Whether you're drilling holes or driving screws, the 20+1 clutch settings provide precise torque adjustments for accurate and professional results. Durability is another strong suit of the BOSCH PS312A. It includes two 12-volt lithium-ion batteries that ensure extended runtime, minimizing interruptions during projects. The integrated LED lights enhance visibility, enabling users to work in dimly lit spaces, tight corners, or low-light conditions with ease. Measuring only 7 inches in head length, this cordless drill is perfect for tackling hard-to-reach areas and tight spaces. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, the BOSCH PS312A is a reliable tool that combines power, precision, and convenience for everyday tasks. The 4th product on this list is the CRAFTSMAN V20. The CRAFTSMAN V20 is a versatile and reliable tool designed for a wide range of tasks. Equipped with a high-performance motor, it delivers 280 unit-watts of power, making it suitable for various applications, from drilling into wood to fastening screws. The 2-speed gearbox, offering speeds of 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1,500 RPM, ensures you have the right speed and control for both precise and demanding jobs. Changing bits is hassle-free, thanks to the half-inch keyless chuck, which allows for quick and secure bit swaps without extra tools. An integrated LED light enhances visibility, making it easier to work in dimly lit spaces or tight corners. This feature is particularly useful for tasks in basements, attics, or other low-light areas. CRAFTSMAN V20 comes with a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, known for its high-performance cells that provide extended runtime and increased efficiency. The included charger fully recharges the battery in 60 minutes or less, ensuring minimal downtime during projects. For added convenience, CRAFTSMAN V20 is compatible with the VersaTrack hang hook, allowing for organized storage when not in use. Still haven't found the best cordless drill for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the BLACK+DECKER LDX220C. The BLACK+DECKER LDX220C is designed to make your DIY projects and home repairs a breeze. Its lightweight design, weighing just 3.5 pounds, ensures that handling the drill is comfortable and effortless, even during extended use. This makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced users who need a reliable and easy-to-use tool. One standout feature is the 11-position clutch, which provides precision control to prevent screws from being stripped or overdriven. This feature helps you achieve a professional finish on a variety of materials and projects. Additionally, the drill offers 2-speed control, allowing you to choose between higher power for tougher tasks or extended runtime for lighter work. The built-in LED work light is a thoughtful addition, illuminating your workspace in dimly lit or no-light conditions. This ensures accuracy and safety, even when working in tight corners or during evening projects. Powered by a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, the drill delivers consistent performance and can hold a charge for up to 18 months. Its Power Connect battery system makes it even more convenient, as the battery is compatible with other BLACK+DECKER tools, simplifying your toolkit. The package includes the drill, a lithium-ion battery, and a charger, providing everything you need to get started. Whether you're assembling furniture, drilling holes, or completing home repairs, the BLACK+DECKER LDX220C is a dependable choice for tackling various tasks with ease. The second product on this list is the Makita XFD10SY. The Makita XFD10SY is designed for efficiency and comfort, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This ensures the tool can handle a variety of tasks, from light-duty drilling to more demanding applications. One of its standout features is the mechanical 2-speed transmission, offering speeds of 0 to 600 RPM and 0 to 1,900 RPM. This range allows users to adjust the speed depending on the task, providing versatility for drilling and driving jobs. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or other materials, this drill adapts to your needs with ease. Built for tough conditions, the drill incorporates extreme protection technology, XPT, which increases resistance to dust and water. This feature makes it a reliable tool for challenging job site environments. Additionally, dual LED lights with an afterglow function brighten your workspace, ensuring visibility in low light conditions. Comfort is also a key focus of the Makita XFD10SY. The ergonomically designed handle, equipped with a rubberized soft grip, provides better control and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. This makes it a practical and user-friendly choice for anyone in need of a durable, high-performing cordless drill. Before we reveal the top cordless drill on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our top cordless drill is the DEWALT 20V Max. The DEWALT 20V Max is also designed to handle a variety of drilling and fastening tasks. Featuring a brushless motor, it offers more runtime compared to traditional brushed motors, making it a great choice for longer projects. The drill operates with a 20-volt battery, providing plenty of power to get the job done efficiently. One of the standout features of this drill is its compact size, measuring just 7.52 inches from front to back. This lightweight design allows it to fit easily into tight spaces where larger drills might struggle. Whether you're working in small areas or need precision, this drill's compact design ensures you have the flexibility to reach difficult spots. Comfort is also a priority with the DEWALT 20V Max drill. It comes with an ergonomic handle that provides an ideal balance, giving you better control over the tool. This makes it easier to use for extended periods without feeling discomfort or strain in your hands. Additionally, the drill is equipped with a bright LED light that stays on for 20 seconds after releasing the trigger. This feature is especially useful when working in low light conditions or confined spaces, providing extra visibility to ensure accuracy and safety while you work. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the DEWALT 20V Max cordless drill is a reliable tool to have in your toolkit. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.